Thank you for calling the Mississauga Central Library. Library materials can be renewed online at www.mississauga.ca/library or by telephone. To renew library materials by telephone, press 1. For information about your library record, press 2. For library hours and location, press 3. For more options, press 4. To speak to library staff, press 0 or stay on the line for staff assistance. For arts, history, and languages, press 1. For sciences and business, press 2. For novels and movies, press 3. For the children's department, press 4. To listen to a children's story, press 5. To access the staff direct. Welcome to the Mississauga Library's multilingual story. To hear a story in English, press 1. To hear The Baby Baby Bird by Diane Redfall Massey. Roar! Roar! Woo! The animals at the zoo had roared and growled and hissed and meowed all day long. They were very tired. Oh, it's 8 o'clock, yawned the elephant, and he settled down in his big hay bed. I've eaten 562 peanuts today, he said. But no one heard him. They were all asleep. The zoo was very still until beep 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 beep